0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hey YouTube family, I am working on another bracelet. Yep, you guessed it. I am preparing for the Wine and Beer Festival as of June 16th, this Saturday. And I am making my last minute pieces. Ironically, I have only been working on bracelets. I do have like some necklaces. I probably will do some last minute necklaces, but mostly I have been focused on bracelets. And sometimes when I'm just focused on bracelets, that's probably what is going to sell. Anyway, I really like this color combination. It reminds me of the Native American jewelry, which is made with that turquoise jewelry. It's actually turquoise stone, and it's turquoise, by the way. And just basically working with these colors. I like them, and I am using my beads. I am pulling out all of my arsenal. I want to have, you know, different colors for everybody. I want to just, you know, have a lot of different colors prepared. And that's really my goal, is to be prepared with all these different colors. I have orange, I have red, I have purple, I have blue, green, all kinds of stuff. So I really want to maximize my potential customer. I do know certain groups of people, they like to wear just maybe bracelets and earrings. And by the way, I will be working on some more earrings because I don't have enough of those, but I'll just pump those out with no problem. I can do, I don't know, 20 of them in about, I don't know, 15 minutes. All right, guys, so I'm just going ahead and opening up this little thing here. So I am just chit-chatting a little bit. Now, guys, I have not forgot the video that I owe you. That video is the 4th of July painting video. I told you I was going to try to sneak it in, but this week has not been the best week to sneak it in. So I'll probably wind up doing that on maybe Sunday or Monday. We'll see. But I'm still going to bring you that video. Alrighty, so now let's see if this is actually big enough like I want it. It is, but I'm just going to put an extra one on here because by the time I tie it, it will shrink a little bit. Trying to see if I have that other bracelet I made over here. I don't. I did something with it. I have jewelry all over the place, y'all. Alright, so I'm just going to simply just tie this a couple of times. Tie it real tightly. 3 and 4 and 5, 6. I do it about 6 or 7 times depending. And I'm going to do it 6 times this way. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Guys, you don't need to glue it, but some people do. And if you want to glue it, it's quite okay. It is up to you whether you want to glue it or not glue it. Alright, so now I have 2 of these, which is really, really cool. So you can wear both of them. That's cool, isn't it, guys? I'm digging that. Now, I am probably going to make another one just to make it 3, but I'll probably just actually do the red, so I can do a red in between. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I might add some more of the turquoise in there. Let's see what I got over here. Alrighty. I'm going to move those out the way. So I am going to go ahead and just do this real quickly because I can. This one I'll do a little bit different. Doesn't have to be the same. Not at all. Okay, we're going to add another red one on there. This one shouldn't take long at all, y'all. I just want to make 3. You know, in case somebody might want to buy all 3, or maybe they, you know, we don't know. We'll see what they want to do. Okay, here we go. There we are. And that's what we're going to keep on building our bracelet out, y'all. It is almost Friday, y'all. Man, this week has gone by pretty quickly. And again, this was kind of a busy week. And I am not sure why it's busy all of a sudden, but I guess that's such is life sometime, huh? Such is life. All right, so I'm almost done with this. It's not taking that long at all. And of course I'm doing it different because I want to. Doesn't have to be matchy-matchy, y'all. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to show you how it looks all together. Oh, it's going to be so nice. Doesn't take very long to make these bracelets, by the way. It all depends on what your style is and what you want to do. Okay. Guys, what have you done this week to increase your visibility online, huh? I would be curious to know. Have you been working on anything special? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, oh, that's nice. Now, this is a beginner's project. This is pretty simple. Start off with stretch strand. I told you guys the story that I started off with stretch strand, and I evolved into other designs as I grew. You can make some fabulous stretch strand bracelets, by the way, y'all. Don't knock it. I know, like, there are a couple of YouTubers that do just make bracelets. That's all they specialize in. They don't do anything else but bracelets. And it's okay. Whatever you know, decide that your specialty is going to be, that is quite okay. Because we all have one. I was talking to you guys about carving out your niche the other day. Are you carving out your niche? That's really what I want to know. Are you carving out your niche? What is your niche? Have you found out what your niche is? Do you know what a niche is? A niche is a specialty that you bring to the world of artistry, the jewelry, the world of candle making, painting, crocheting, whatever it is that you do, needlepoint, whatever it is that you do, it is bringing your particular technique. Do you have like a signature piece? Do you have like a signature design? Any of that? Do you have it? Do you have like a signature name? I was watching a little bit about the Coco Chanel story. I didn't get to finish it yet, but this is a story where it talks about how she got started and how she was abandoned at an orphanage, due to her father leaving her. Her mother got sick and passed away. I haven't finished it off yet, but I plan to finish the movie. Now, anyway, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? Look at that. I made those 3 bracelets. Absolutely beautiful. This one is a little bit bigger, which is okay. Doesn't matter. But look at how those go together. Oh, my goodness. These are absolutely gorgeous. Yes, they are. Somebody will love these. And I'm trying to make sure, guys, that it's not stretching too much. Because if it is, I will take it off and do it again. Because I like it where it has the ability to be very, very flexible. But I don't want it to be too loose, I don't want it to have that looseness. So I'm going to play around with it and see if it does or not. And if it does, I will make it over. But anyway, this has been my tutorial on my little last minute jewelry making thing. And I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining my channel. Thank you for growing my channel with me. I really appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions or comments you want to just leave them in the comment and I'll be glad to answer them. Okay, well, until the next video, happy beading.